What is going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. As all of you know, from the beginning, YouTube has been a place where creators come, get their fair share of fame, sell their merch, and then they can either maintain their channel or they fall off completely. And this happens because they run out of creative content to post, or they just can't innovate and keep up with the changes that are constantly happening on this platform. And I've seen this happen like non-stop ever since I joined back in 2012. As an antisocial 15-year-old, I would always find myself watching random content for hours. I just sort of had my escape, like my entertainment source was YouTube. And this was back in 2012, like I said, all the way up until even today. Like, I would watch videos almost daily. And this whole time, I never really thought of what the future of YouTube would be. My 2012 mentality wasn't thinking ahead, like, where's YouTube gonna be in 2018? And so I had not yet realized the power of the internet, and I saw it just as a way to entertain myself. I say this because I'm sure most of you thought the same thing. You guys all got on YouTube, probably saw the same creators that I was watching. You probably at least have heard of them, if not watched all their videos. And this is where Shane Dawson comes into the picture. He's been one of the creators that's been there from the very beginning. Like, I'm talking 10 years ago, and we've all heard of his name. I'm sure back in middle school, you guys, I mean, if you're a girl, you probably watched his videos. I know us guys, we knew his existence. And he's sort of been able to maintain his channel and his creativity. This all brings me to the topic of today's video, which is the amount of volume that he's been able to bring into his channel in such a short amount of time. And I've not seen any other creator do this since I've been watching YouTube. So I believe that it is a new idea being introduced into the YouTube space. I'm bringing you guys a totally unbiased opinion about the way he's been able to structure his most recent videos. And if you like his videos, then great. If not, then that's not the point of this video. The engaging and cinematic approach that he's brought to YouTube is something that you can compare to a Netflix original series or any TV show that's ever aired. It has this dramatic vibe to it that keeps the viewer really engaged. And to think that a single YouTube creator has such an impact on such a large audience, it's truly impressive from that standpoint. Okay, he just posted a new video, and within an hour, he's already at 480,000 views. Okay, so I mean, just to kind of fill you guys in, if you guys aren't familiar with what's going on, he's making these docu-series videos, you know, really long, really engaging videos that talk about, I mean, for right now, he's talking about Jake Paul, and he's been talking about like controversial things that have come up. I'll show you guys what he has been able to achieve with these docu-series. I would sort of call them that. Just look at the numbers. His first one was the whole Tanacon ordeal that went down, and I'm sure anyone that's on YouTube has seen that happen. 3 months ago is when he posted that first video, and we can see the view count on his videos. I mean, we have 12 million, 17 million, 14 million, 13 million, 12 million, 25 million, 18 million, and it just goes on. And I definitely have never seen this sort of volume from any content creator. It's I have a few thoughts I would like to share with you guys about why this is a thing. So as you all can see, these videos are doing really well for Shane and for his channel. He's been able to pull off some insane numbers in such a short amount of time. I added them all up, and it ended up being 185 million views in only 3 months on his channel. So in the past 3 months, people have watched 6.6 billion minutes of Shane's content, which translates to 11,000 years. Think about that, let that sink in for a little bit, because it's just completely mind-blowing. This all makes me believe that this is what the future of YouTube might look like. Just because these videos have done so well for Shane, I can really see other big top creators pulling something similar to that and creating something more cinematic and like sort of like with a storyline for their viewers. And that's gonna push YouTube to the next level. I really believe that if we have multiple people bring this sort of volume to their channel and to the YouTube platform in general, it's gonna shape the future of entertainment and education. And the biggest factor leading up to all of this is that we all have cell phones and we all have YouTube readily accessible. We don't have that option with TV. We can watch a live stream and we can watch a YouTube video from wherever we're at in the world. I really think that this is where everything is sort of headed, and it's kind of, I like to say it's like halfway there. I mean, obviously it's been happening in my lifetime for quite some time, and you guys can say the same thing. Like, every internet celebrity ever, they're there because they utilize the internet in our lifetime. I mean, with everyone having cell phones, there's no surprise that Shane's able to clock in 15 million views within 24 hours of posting a video. Like I said before, I really believe that other content creators are going to take down this path, and they're going to do something similar because obviously it's working for Shane. And that is ultimately going to bring YouTube to the next level. If you're watching this maybe a year from now, it has probably already happened. If you're watching this on your phone today, or a week from now, it's currently in the process. If you want to get in on this before it's too late, which I personally don't think it's too late as of right now, and as every day goes on, it's going to get harder. But if you ever had the idea of starting a YouTube channel or creating content, you might as well just start, because you're gonna learn as you go. I've linked some of the equipment that I use, like the camera that I use and the lighting and stuff, down below for you guys. If you're interested in starting, you guys don't wait another day, because I personally sort of beat myself up for waiting so long to start, because it's something that I've actually wanted to do deep down for a while. Thank you all so much for the support, and thank you for watching this all the way through. If you did, you guys are the real OGs. And with that being said, please leave a like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.